Welcome back. It's time for Spinners and Spanners. Repeal the Ingonyama Trust Act. At least 2 reports have now come to this conclusion. The Kgalema Motlanthe High-Level Panel report, which was commissioned by Parliament, and now concurring with that finding is the Presidential Advisory Panel on Land Reform and Agriculture. So 2 arms of the state have made such a finding. The Council for the Advancement of South Africa's Constitution hopes that a 3rd arm of the state, which is the judiciary, will come to the same conclusion. But isilo samabandla sithi cha ngeke.
Ngilendozo khuluma aqonde ngqo. Ngifuna ngizwakale kahle. Ngilinde ozokhuluma aqonde ngqo. Ngisajube ukuthi udaba luke lubukwe ngeso elibanzi. Ngithi yazini ukuthi leli lenkosi ebusayo eyisilo sikaZulu. Nezilo neindlovukazi sezedlula. Lingefe ngathi. Futhi lingefe ngesami nesenu isikhathi. Uma singavuma lokho umlando uyosahlulela kabi.
Well, listen to it again.
Ngilendozo khuluma aqonde ngqo. Ngifuna ngizwakale kahle. Ngilinde ozokhuluma aqonde ngqo.
Well, this happened a year ago. Just listen to what President Cyril Ramaphosa had to say a year ago.
When the issue of the Ingonyama Trust came up, I felt the need to go and meet him, and he agreed to the meeting. We had a good meeting, and we discussed the issue, and I assured him that the government, nor the ANC, has any intention whatsoever to take the land from the Ingonyama Trust. I reaffirmed that that land is under the control of Ingonyama Trust as per legislation, and in the end it is a land that he has custody of on behalf of the people in KZN. So that was clarified, and I gave him the assurance that we have no intention whatsoever to even touch that land or take it away or grab it from Ingonyama Trust.
Well, now that the report was commissioned by the President himself, will you too ignore the finding that the Ingonyama Trust Act must be repealed? It's a wrap. The PolitBureau is now adjourned. Good night.